Welcome, friends. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of numerology, where numbers can unlock the doors to your financial success. Have you ever wondered if your birth date hides a secret code that can dramatically change your life? This code can guide you to wealth and prosperity. Stay with us until the end of this video, and you will learn how to calculate your financial code using numerology and use it to achieve your financial goals. Believe me, this video will change your perception of the world of numbers and money. Numerology is an ancient science that explores the influence of numbers on a person's life. It originates from ancient civilizations such as Egypt and Babylon. Since then, knowledge about numbers has been passed down from generation to generation, retaining its relevance to this day. Each of us has a personal numerological code that can reveal many secrets about our character, destiny, and financial success. To understand how the financial code works, let's first look at the basics of numerology. It is based on numbers from 1 to 9, each of which has its unique meaning. For example, the number 1 symbolizes leadership and ambition, while the number 5 is associated with freedom and adventure. Understanding these basics, we can move on to calculating our financial code. So, let's start by calculating your life path number, which is the foundation for all other numerological calculations. The life path number is calculated by adding all the digits of your birth date until you get a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on August 15, 1990, the calculation would be as follows: 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 33. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So, your life path number is 6. Now that we know your life path number, we can move on to calculating your financial code. The financial code reveals your potential in the realm of finance and business. It helps to understand what steps to take to achieve material success. To calculate the financial code, we use the digits of your life path number and birth year. If your life path number is 6 and your birth year is 1990, then your financial code is calculated as follows: 6, life path number, plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0, digits of the birth year, equals sign 25, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Thus, your financial code is 7. What does the number 7 mean in terms of financial success? The number 7 is associated with intuition, analytical abilities, and inner peace. People with a financial code of 7 have a talent for research and can find success in scientific or technical fields. They often achieve success by following their intuition and ability to analyze situations. For comparison, let's look at other financial codes. The number 1 symbolizes leadership and entrepreneurship. People with a financial code of 1 usually achieve success by starting their own business or holding leadership positions. They have a natural talent for management and decision-making. The number 2 is associated with partnership and cooperation. People with a financial code of 2 often succeed in joint ventures where diplomacy and the ability to work in a team are important. They have the gift of finding common ground with others and reaching compromises. The number 3 is associated with creativity and self-expression. People with a financial code of 3 find success in creative professions such as art, music, literature. Their talent for self-expression helps attract attention and recognition. The number 4 symbolizes stability and hard work. People with a financial code of 4 achieve success through persistence and organization. They have a talent for planning and can build reliable financial foundations. The number 5 is associated with adventure and change. People with a financial code of 5 often succeed in fields that require constant movement and new experiences. They have a talent for adaptation and the ability to find opportunities in the most unexpected places. The number 6 symbolizes harmony and care. People with a financial code of 6 often succeed in areas where social responsibility and helping others are important. They have a talent for creating harmonious relationships and caring for others' well-being. The number 8 symbolizes strength and ambition. People with a financial code of 8 achieve success through determination and the ability to achieve great goals. They have a talent for managing large projects and financial resources. The number 9 is associated with humanitarian missions and service to others. People with a financial code of 9 achieve success when their work benefits others. They have a talent for charity and social work. So, you see that each number has its unique characteristics and opportunities for financial success. Knowing your financial code allows you to make more informed financial decisions and choose paths that best match your abilities and talents. Now that we've covered the basics of financial codes, let's move on to practical tips on how to use this knowledge in everyday life. First and foremost, it's important to understand your strengths and know how to effectively apply them. For example, if your financial code is 1, focus on developing your leadership qualities. Start learning the basics of entrepreneurship. Find a mentor who can help you develop business skills. Use your determination and ambition to achieve great goals. If your financial code is 2, pay attention to developing communication and cooperation skills. Learn to work in a team. Find partners for joint projects. Use your diplomacy to resolve conflicts and reach compromises. If your financial code is 3, develop your creativity and self-expression. Find ways to turn your talent into a source of income, such as creating art, musical compositions, or literary works. Use your ability to attract attention to promote your ideas. If your financial code is 4, focus on planning and organization. Learn to manage time and resources effectively. Create reliable financial plans. Use your persistence and organizational skills to build a stable financial foundation. I hope you found this exploration of numerology and financial codes as fascinating as I do. Remember, understanding your financial code can unlock new paths to success and prosperity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If we reach 5,000 likes, I will post a video on how to calculate your financial code with numerology and become successful. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.